Hi guys! Mabuhay! It's me, your girl, InDaynaMo, and welcome back to my Taglish channel! Hello guys! How are you all on either side of the universe? Good evening everybody! Good evening, Jax!
Kumusta?
Happy Valentines, Jax!
Masaya mahal? I don't know.
Araw ng mga puso.
Yeah, what you said. Araw na puso or something like that.
So happy Valentines, people of the universe. How you doing, guys? How you spend your Valentines today? Today we are inside the car, guys, and we are back here in Mount Gambier, guys, and where we are heading, Jax.
Good question. Somewhere for food.
So we are going for Valentine's dinner today.
Yes, that sounds about right. I'm just not too sure what's open today because some restaurants close here on Mondays, so I don't know if they've opened up just for Valentine's Day or if it's still closed.
They're open there.
Well, we're not going Subway, if that's what you're pointing to. Yeah, I don't think we're going to get subs for Valentine's Day. No, I'm not saying it's a bad thing, but I prefer not to have Subway for Valentine's Day.
Why my face is so big here? So, ayun na nga guys. Jax and I, we are going for a dinner for tonight and later again, okay? Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye, guys. Okay, guys. So, we are going to... Okay, guys. Bulaga.
Chicken sag, lamb doppioza, garlic naan bread.
So, that's our dinner for tonight, guys.
Ayan.
Ayan.
Smells nice. Ayan.
Okay guys, so we are done now our tea. So you can see the barbecue. So, how's your tea, Jax?
Very nice. It's the first time I've had Indian food in India.
Yeah.
It's quite nice to get that.
Oh. Now guys, it's already 7 o'clock and the sun is out still. So, it's daylight. So, later again. So, that's it guys. So, i-share ko naman sa inyo kung ano yung nakuha ko ngayong Valentine's Day kay Jax! Yes guys, so we are home na from RT doon sa my Indian restaurant for today. Indian restaurant for today's video guys. And masyado kayong mababa. So, I will show you kung ano yung natanggap ko for today. So, ayan. This is my Valentine's gift from Jax, of course. So, I got a paper bag over here. And, yung loob ng paper bag ay laman ay sweets. So, I got a Tim Tam. So, ayan, Tim Tam, guys. This is very famous if you're in Australia. So, this one is deluxe Tim Tam, guys. Ayan, Tim Tam. Tim Tam, guys, Tim Tam. And, I have two here. And, the other one is, I got the Ferrero collection over here, guys. So, it's a dark chocolate. And then, there's a Raffaello there. And Ferrero chocolate. So, it's a Ferrero, guys. So, very sweet. So, chocolate, guys. And I got a three kinds of chocolates here. The last chocolate is the Lind. Oh, the Lindor, guys. Ayan, the blue. Dark chocolate, guys. Yes, because I love dark chocolate than milk chocolate. So, ayan, I got a dark chocolate here. And they have a 3 different kind of chocolate. So, ayan, guys. And I got the 3 kinds of chocolate sweet here. And the last but not the least, I got a card over here. Yan. So, well, this one, I got a card, guys. Yan. I got a card here. I opened it already earlier. So, I got a card here. Yeah, so sweet. So, I got a card here, guys. And I cannot tell you this one. So, I need to read it. Happy Valentine's Day. So sweet. So, there's a, ano dyan, there's a letter here. Ayan. Nandito siya sa letter. Hindi ko siya pwedeng expose. So, here, there's another here on the left side of the card that, guess where we are going. Ayan. So, may heart, diba? So, this is, yung card ni Jax. So sweet. Aww. And I got a few pictures here, guys. And si Jax kasi, he gave to me one by one. So, nakalagay diba kanina doon na guess where we are going, guys. Ayan, nakita niyo naman. So, ito yung mga photos niya. The first photo, guys, is give me this. If you're if you're familiar or if you're not familiar, I will tell you who is this one. This is Scott Morrison, Australian's Prime Minister, guys. So, that's the first one he gave to me. And then the second one, he gave this. I think he gave this. This one, guys, he gave this. So, this is the Caucasian girl that we are always laughing at. This is Jack's favorite Caucasian girl. Kasi every places that we've been, nakikita namin siya, especially in the grocery, in the supermarket. She's here in the real estate. Ayan, kung kilala niyo siya, palagi namin siya nakikita. So, she's very famous sa amin ni Jax. And then this one. So, Jax gave me the second photo. We have the second photo here. So, our first photo is the Prime Minister of Australia. The second is the Caucasian Asian girl. Ayan. The one with the flowers. So, I don't know where is that. So, the third one, just gave me this. This, guys. So, this is Obama. So, when Jax gave to me earlier, I'm thinking, oh, this is the USA. If this is Australia, so this is USA, right? So, that's our third picture. So, that's a hint. So, the next one is this one. I thought it's a Elvis Presley, but it's this one, the young one.
Yeah, it's young Elvis Presley. He did a popular movie at that location.
Okay, so this one, guys. So I'm thinking, what is this hint all about? So there's a lot of clues. So I got 4 photos now that Jax gave to me one by one. The President of Prime Minister of Australia, the Caucasian Asian with the flower necklace, the USA, which is the Obama former president of the USA, and the young Elvis Presley. So I got 2 more here. The next one is this volcano, guys. So this is the 1, 2, 3, 5 hint. So I got the 5 photo here, which is the volcano. I'm not sure which volcano is that, so I don't have any idea earlier. But the last but not the least is this one. I think we will complete this one is, so if you are familiar, guys, and I only see this one in like one of the movie, but I said to Jax, is this Hawaii?
Yes.
Yes, so Jax gave me my Valentine's gift in Hawaii, guys. So I got the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I can go through them and it will make sense. So I think a couple of years ago, starting with Scott Morrison, wherever he is, yeah, a couple of years ago, when there was bushfires in Australia, he was holidaying in Hawaii, and he didn't really want to come home. So yeah, that's Scott Morrison. My favourite stock model, I typed in Hawaii and she just happened to be there, so it's just her wearing a lei. Next one is Obama. So he's a US president, but he was actually born in Hawaii. So that's where the connection of Obama is, because he's actually born in Hawaii.
I thought he's an ex-former president
Yeah, well,
of America.
I guess he is. He is, but he was also born in Hawaii.
I forgot he's born in Hawaii.
So Elvis, like I think before his Vegas days, he actually started a movie called Blue Hawaii. And I guess that's where he's wearing a Hawaiian shirt and wearing a lei. So yeah, he did a few ones there. That's a volcano, because Hawaii is known for its volcanoes, especially on the Big Island. And then the last one is actually Waikiki Beach. So it's probably like the most famous beach there. So you've got pretty much the hotels on one side, the ocean, and then you've got Diamond Head, which is another extinct volcano on the back there. So they're the clues.
So yes, guys, so I have a ticket here. So I got a ticket here already, guys. So Jax, Valentine's gift for me is we are going to Hawaii, USA. Is correct?
Correct. So pretty much the very end of July, start of August.
Yes, so this is for July, the end of July, guys, this year. And yes, guys, so that's my Valentine's gift from Jax. Thanks, Jax.
So we've got a lot of baggage too. We've got 40 kilograms coming back. So we'll be doing a lot of shopping, a lot of beaches, a lot of driving around, a lot of exploring, a lot of videos. It's going to be very, very exhausting.
Yes, guys, so that's my first time and I'm very excited, and you will see a lot of content in Hawaii Vlog USA on July. And yes, you are going to share where we're going up to there and what's our itinerary in Hawaii.
Correct. So now before then we have to get your passport renewed. You have to get the USA visa. Yeah, there's a few things we need to do before that, but...
And I will tell you what's the steps going there as a Filipino, guys. And we will find out what's the requirements, how's the flight going there, and etc. and many more.
Oh.
So guys, it's the end of our video for today. Happy Valentine's, people of the universe. I hope you are all well. Thank you very much for watching, and thanks for supporting my videos. And mega love shout out to each wonderful people of the universe. Thank you from the bottom of my hypothalamus. Please like if you did enjoy my video for today, and please do subscribe if you haven't yet, and don't forget to hit the bell button for you to get notified on my next video. And please comment down below if you like this video po, and see you when I see you on my next one. Bye bye guys, be good, you take care, be safe, and
Mwah. Chala.